Okay, let's go for the cutting. I like the cutting job. Okay, these clamps are the cheap ones. I bought them at the, you know, like a Chinese shop. They're, I don't know, maybe €2, like $3 maybe. It's really, really cheap. But you know, they do the job. They're, you know, working. That's the important thing. Okay. As you see, I use the angle here, right here, for you know, like counterweight, because when I push here, the plank will go up, and in this way it's better. As I say, I'm preparing the planks for you know, my later job, which will be making sculpture in wax. Please just tell me no if you like my videos, because I do a lot of stuff and I make a lot of things, so we will see. Right now I'm cutting these, you know, wood pieces into planks. So I already started, you know, video recording, but my camera was here and it was shaking a lot, and I think its video is now bad for viewers. So right now I'm going to do it again, but this time here is the camera. This is really nice, you know, jigsaw, but the thing I like about this, it's speed regulation. Wood plank for my newest sculpture model. I'm taking this baby, you know, this for really good, you know, stuff. Okay. set up my camera. Yeah, that thing. I don't know if you see good, but right now I will be sanding the wood plank I made. Here it is. Okay. Just a little bit of the sanding. Okay, this is the stuff I made. It's a plank for my I will be making several more, but I basically made one already. But the reason I make this one, it's because you people out there can see the way I make this stuff. And right now I'll be using, that as post for my sculpture. I don't know if you can see and understand what is this. It's like, in sculpting you need to have a wire mesh before putting modeling material. In this piece, this is like legs. Here to here starts the torso, here are the arms, here will be the head, and it will be like man sculpture here, okay, like male and a female. Later on I will be start putting wax onto it, and after that you can see what I did made from it. For now, I think I will find you a sketch. I don't know if it's here. Oh, okay. Here are some of my older sketches. If you want some of this stuff, this is my older sketches. If you want some of this stuff seen on my page, made in stone, in wood, or whatever the material, just tell me. I really like to found people here who like this stuff, who like the art, who like the pieces I make, and tell me, oh man, we love this, make this one. Okay, I made it, but I need you to hear your opinion on it. Right now I'm looking for the, I don't know, a photograph for the latest sculpture. I will hope I will find it.